Hey developers! In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use icons in your React.js application. Let's go! Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as I said, I'm going to talk about how you can use icons in your React.js application. Before I start our work, I want to say please subscribe my channel to motivate me to put more videos for you, and of course turn on notification to be alerted from my channel videos. Now let's back to work. As you can see, this is simple React.js application that you can install it on your system. I put this video on my channel, and now I'm going to start using icons in my application. Okay, first of all, we should navigate to this website, React Icons, and open the first link here. This is React Icons website, and in home section you can see all of these icons in this website and how we can use it on our application. Here we go, the installation part. We should copy this command and use it on our VS Code on our React.js application. Okay, we should open command on our system and of course paste this command line here and wait to install React Icons on our system. We can see from package.json, and here we go, you can see React Icons installed on your application with this version. Okay, let's back to our code and how we can use React Icons in our application. I want to remove all of these codes and just white screen here and back to React Icons website. Here we can see that how we can use icons in our React.js application using this website. We should import the specific icons on our application. I should import this here, and for example just return this on our application. Here I should add this component of this icon, and you can see this trash icon here. Okay, and we can have some attributes on this component. For example, size, we can increase its size. For example, I should put 50, and you can see this icon size change. And of course we can use color. For example, I want to write down white and some style to main div, and just write down background black. And you can see this icon change to white color here. Okay, I want to use some other icons and search in this website, and you can have more information about React Icons from their GitHub. If I search, for example, Instagram, I want Instagram logo, and here we go. These all of icons in React Icons from Instagram. I want to copy, for example, this, and here we have the code in the new update of this website. Here we have this code, and we can copy this import and put it on our website and use Instagram icon, for example, like this. And here we have Instagram icon on our React.js application like this, and with these properties, for example, size, I change size by this, and for example, color, to change our icon color, you can see the size and color of this Instagram icon is changed. Something else I should say is that when your icons start with the same words, for example, this Instagram and this bear icons start with FA, you can use it and import it in one curly braces like this and remove this to avoid making your application heavy like this, and everything is okay. To import the other icon, for example, user icon, here I can click on, for example, icon without starting with FA, and here we haven't. This icon, I want to import it in our application like this, and just copy this as our component. Here we have, if we change this color to white, we have this icon here, start with MD, not FA. And it was all about icons and how you can use them in your React.js application with React Icons website. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and of course put like and comment for me to support me. Be nice guys. Farewell development.